next exercise is exercise 12b. Here we need to draw the triangles and calculate the third angle after drawing it. Okay, so the first question is draw the triangle ABC. Here AB is 7.4 centimeter that we have drawn here, 7.4 centimeter, and they have given the angle BAC, means the angle is drawn on A, that is 47 degrees. So using compass, using protractor, we have drawn the 47 degree triangle here. Okay, now the next they have told angle ABC. ABC means angle is drawn on B, that is 68 degree. Now we will do the 68 degree here, like that, 68 degree, and that is 68. Okay, then we will match these lines, and from these, where these lines cut, that is the point C. Okay, now what they have asked, we need to measure the third angle, that is angle BCA or ACB, whatever we say, means angle C we need to measure. Now the angle C we will measure like that. Okay, that is 65 degree, that is 65 degree. Okay, and that is the correct measurement according to the angle sum property of triangle. Okay, so angle C or ACB is 65 degree. Okay. The same thing you have to do in question number 2 also. So the question number 2 is homework. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3 is there. Draw the perpendicular. Okay, triangle ABC we need to draw. Okay, triangle ABC we need to draw, and they have given, triangle XYZ we have to draw, and they have given YZ 5.8 centimeter. So YZ we need to make here, YZ 5.8 centimeter. So we have drawn 5.8 centimeter here. Now they have given angle Y is 100 degree. Angle Y is 100 degree. Angle Y is 100 degree. So that is here. Okay. Angle Y is 100 degree. Okay. Now angle Z is 40 degree. So angle Z is 40 degree. 40 degree means here. Now that is angle Z. Okay, 40 degree, 100 degree. Then they have asked, first we need to measure the third angle, that is our first priority of the question. So the angle is 40 degree. Okay, the angle is 40 degree, clearly you will see 40 degree, and according to angle sum property it should be 40 degree. Okay, that is 40 degree. Now what they have asked, draw the perpendicular from Y to XZ. From this point we need to draw the perpendicular. Okay, how you will draw the perpendicular? Just put your compass and just make the arc like that. Okay, okay, then from this point where this arc cut XY, make a arc both sides from both points, like that I have drawn. Okay. Now match these points. This is the perpendicular. Okay, so that they have asked. Same as you will do the question number 5. So question number 5 is also homework, same pattern. Question number 5 homework. So what we have done here, just we have drawn YZ 5.8 centimeter, then we have drawn angle Y 100 degree and angle Z 40 degree. That is our triangle completed. Okay, that is X. Now what they have asked, we need to measure the third angle, that is 40 degree. We have measured from protector. Then we have to ask to draw a perpendicular from Y to XZ. So we have taken our compass and make a arc that cut Y XZ on LM. From LM we have to make two arcs on both side of that particular line. From both points from LM we have make both arcs, that arcs cut on PQ, and then we will match the PQ. Okay, that is our steps of construction, how we have done this. And question 5 is same as this question, so you will do by yourself. Okay, now the question number 4 is there, the same pattern question. They have given BCD, in which B is 105 degree and BC is 8.2. So first we need to make BC 8.2. BC, this is BC 8.2, BC 8.2 centimeter. That is question number 4. Okay, then B is 105 degree. So from B we need to make an angle 105 degree. 105 degree, that is 100 and that is 105 degree. Okay, now from C we need to make 45 degree angle. So from C we will make 45 degree angle. .45 is here. Okay, now we will match these points. Okay, then we have to move this line till here. That is our point D. Okay, so now we need to measure the third angle. So this is 105 degree, this is 40 degree. Now we need to check either the which angle it is. So okay, so that is 35 degree, that angle is 35 degree. Okay, so according to angle sum property, this is 35 degree. Okay, 1 degree uh, 1 degree diversion is corrected because of some difference in using compass and pencil. Pencil is thick, that is acceptable. So there is no worry if 34 degree or 35 degree both are correct. Okay, so that's it for the exercise 12D. Okay, we will meet in the next video with exercise 12E.